Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to our channel MCQs platform. As you know, we have started the series of 101 Golden Rules of English Grammar. Students who are going to appear in CSS, PMS, PCS, and other competitive exams which are based on one paper, then they must watch the series because the series may cover cash marks for English portion. So today we have brought rule number 9 for you. If you haven't watched previous rules, then you may click on the I symbol in the right corner of this video. Before going to start, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you may get notification about all 101 golden rules of English grammar. What rule number 9 says, in English grammar, when you use conjunction expression or the two subjects, then you have to be careful with the following expression. Whenever you are going to add two subjects, then you have to put conjunction between them. So if you are going to follow any of expression which is given below, then you have to be careful for the use of these conjunctions, as well as along with, together with, no less than, in addition to. So these are some expressions which you may use with this rule without any hesitation. The verb will be used according to the first subject, because these conjunctions are going to add two subjects. Now you have to be careful and you have to use verb in the sentence according to the first subject. Let us move to learn some examples about it. First of all, we are going to learn as well as. Parag as well as his 5 friends are going. So this is what? Wrong. Why incorrect? Because we have learned in the rule that we have to use verb according to the first subject. Barak is singular, so we are going to use here is. Barak as well as his friends is going. Correct. You must remember this rule because it has come several times in CSS, PMS, PCS, and Inspector Investigation Officer, Assistant Director in Investigation Officer, and all those papers which are based on one paper. Second is along with. The teacher along with students were going. Now what we learned? With this first subject we have to use verb according to the first subject. The teacher along with the students were going. Now it will be was. The teacher along with the students was going. So these were the examples. Now I have put 2 to 3 MCQs for you. You have to answer in the comment section for all these MCQs. The major along with his soldiers dash killed in the field. What will be the answer? Were, was, both and be, D, none of these. Similarly, there is another question for you. The teacher together with his wife and daughter dash drowned. Were, was, both A and B, none of these. The third question for you is the father as well as the sons dash mysteriously missing from the house. Were, was, both A and B, and D, none of these. I hope you have enjoyed this rule, and if you haven't watched the previous rules, then you may go in the description and find the links I have provided there. Inshallah, I will meet with you in rule number 10. Please subscribe our channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.